Hello everyone, in this video, you will see how to watch the Spectrum app on your LG TV. Using LG Smart TV, App Store power on your LG TV and ensure it is connected to the internet. Navigate to the LG Content Store on your TV. This is usually accessible through the home screen or via a dedicated button on the remote. Search for Spectrum TV using the search function within the LG Content Store. Download and install the Spectrum TV from the search results. Launch the Spectrum TV app from your app list or home screen. Sign in with your Spectrum account credentials to start streaming. If your LG TV doesn't support the Spectrum app directly, you can use external devices like a streaming stick or box. Get a compatible streaming device like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Apple TV. Connect the streaming device to an HDMI port on your LG TV and power it on. Follow the setup instructions on your streaming device to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the App Store on your streaming device. Search for and download the Spectrum TV app on your streaming device. Launch the Spectrum TV app and sign in with your Spectrum account details. Connect the streaming device to your TV via HDMI and select the corresponding HDMI input on your LG TV. Start streaming Spectrum TV on your LG TV through the connected streaming device. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.